Now, can't you see how you are making money from this? Can't you see how you are good now? This is what you should be doing. This is how you should get it. This is how you should be doing it. This is how you should be doing it. This is how you should be doing it. Mark up your chart like this. And this is how you place your trend line. This is how you place your trend line. This is how you place your trend line. This is it. This is how you mark up your trend line. So, are you not seeing how you're making money from this? How you're enjoying the money? The money that you make today, you're going to multiply it tomorrow. The money that you make tomorrow, you're going to double it tomorrow. Just by waiting. Just by waiting. Not stressing the chart. Not stressing anything. Just by waiting for the time frame, waiting for the setup, for the right setup that I showed you in the video. In my videos, go to my previous videos, you like it, you comment, you will share so that others will understand. So others will also understand too. Like the video, comment and share the video so that others will understand how to play the game. Others know how to play the game, how to place the stop loss, how to place the entry, how to place the stop loss, how to place the entry, and how to put the take profit. The same goes to buying, how to put the stop loss, how to put the entry, and how to take the take profit. Since you have been earning it, your life have changed. Your life have changed just by listening to one video, just by listening to one video, and so forth. Then I started listening to videos, started taking my videos. You take my video from early in the morning, started taking my videos, started watching my videos, started watching my videos. This is how you're going to see your breakthrough. There's no other way. There's no other way. And since you have been earning it, since you have been earning it, you are now like invisible. You are now like untouchable. Like nobody touches you now. Like since you started earning money from this chat, since you started earning money from the chat, you are now like nobody can stop you. That's the energy I talked in the video. If you watched my video, my previous CB video before, that's the energy that I said. Once you started doing the right thing and you know the right thing, you started doing the right thing and you know the right thing to do at any given time, you will feel inevitable. You will feel like nothing. You will feel like no more lies. You can never lie again. Like saying the truth all day, saying the truth all day till the truth become what you need. The truth once you hear lies, lies give you you won't like lies. So truth become your living. Truth become what you do. Anything you do is truth, truth, truth. Even when you lie, you will want to say the truth. Even when you lie, even when you know you lie, you will always want to say the truth. 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 You always want to say the truth. Always, always want to say the truth. There will be no day you won't want to say the truth. What you see I mark here with my trend line is only the sell signal. So the sell signal, break here, started from here. You can see this is how you mark up your buy. This is how you mark up your buy signal. This is how you mark up your buy signal. This is how you mark up your buy signal. This is the buy signal. Boom, down here. Boom, break here. And here, check here. You see it's not the same. Buying look like X. Then selling look like Y. This is actually it. This is it. You mark it down, you see the break. You mark it go up. You mark it down, you see the break. You mark it go up, you see the move. Once you see once you have seen from high and you have seen a break, once you mark it like this and you see a break and you see a candle here, and you already see from here to here break, that gives you the right to mark it, because this one has already happened, this one has already happened, this one has already happened before these ones. So now this one break it down here, giving you this thing, is now giving you full attention that is going to come here. It's now giving you the full attention that is going to come here. So what do? You mark these ones. Once you mark these ones, this one will give you a straight line that now is going up. It give you the signal that now is going up, because first you have seen it here, you have seen it here, you have seen it here, you have seen the break here. So once you give you the straight line, you can now enter your buy and put your take profit here. Same goes to sell. You mark it this one here, you mark this one here, because you have already seen this break. I've already seen this break. You mark this one, shows you this is why. This is selling. It's going sell, going sell, it's going down. So since you've seen it going down, you have already seen it's going down. I've already seen it's going down. So you mark your trend line under it, and you now from here to here you have already seen a break. That shows you a selling pressure. That shows you a selling pressure that is going to come to here or here. This is the low. This is the high that forms the first low. This is the high that forms the first low. But he has already break this one, which is this. He break it, which is this. So we are going to come down to here or here. So that's why we use this one to identify the line, to identify the flow. So this is how you mark up your chart. This is how you mark up your chart. Screenshot it. This is how you mark up your chart. Since you have started winning, you feel invincible. This is how you mark it up. This is how you mark your charts. If you feel like you're forgotten, this is how you mark it. Buying is X, then selling is Y. You understand? Selling is Y, then buying is X. Because you have to draw it like this. This one has to come down, this one have to come down, this one have to come down. Then you are now seeing a break here. Once you have seen a break here, you wait for more candles, then you see here. Once you see here, you already know that this is going here. There's nothing telling you that it's going to come down. It's not telling you it's going up. So all you need to do is mark this trend line. Once you mark this trend line, you have already seen the first touch point from the first, and then the second touch point here,
You already see the first touch point here, you already see the second touch point here. So all you need to do is mark it like this. Then you have seen the break. Then you are now seeing candles here. That give you the light to mark this one. To mark this one. Once you have marked this one, it's now showing you that this is going up. That he has break here. It has break here. Now it's going up. So you can now place your trade and put your stop loss here and put your TP here fast. So in this one, same thing. This is what goes on and on and on and on. So this one, same thing. You put your you mark your this thing here, you mark your trend line here and middle. Once you see the break, if you not see the break, that means it's going up. It's still going up, it's still going up. That means it breaks from here. That means it breaks from here, high, 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 low, low, low. That means it's break from here. That means it's break from here. If if to say this continues, it does not sell. If it continues, that means it breaks from here. That's why we need more candles to verify. That's why we need more candles to verify. That's why we need more candles to verify. But if you go down to my videos, all the videos that I dropped, you understand how I trade. You understand how I trade. You actually understand how I trade. You understand how I mark up the charts. You understand how I place my orders because it's down below. It's in the videos. It's in the videos. I teach you how you mark your trend line, how you mark your levels, how you put your stop loss, how you put your entry, how you put your TP, and how you continue. I already show you everything in the video. This one I'm just showing you is for you to see, for you to see what I'm seeing all day, for you to see how you start, for you to see what I'm seeing all day. Once you start making money, once you already make money from this trading, there's nothing stopping you. Once you already made money from this setup, there's nothing stopping you. Once you already made money from the setup that I teach, go down below, watch the videos, understand the videos, become pro like me, become the elite like me, become the elite like me, become the elite like me. So mark up the chart the way I showed you in the videos, mark up the charts the way I showed you in the videos, mark your trend line the way I showed you in the videos, mark your entry the way I showed you in the video, put your stop loss the way I showed you in the video. Then you are not going to be stopped out and you are going to earn even more from this chart. So this video is just an example to tell you, it's just to tell you that nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. As yeah, I have started making money from this chart. I started making money from the setup that I showed you in the video. I already made money. I already made more than $100,000 from the video that I showed you below. 100,000, more than $100,000 from the video with the setup that I showed you. Just consistency and patience with the video that I showed you in the description. With the video I showed you earlier. With the video I showed you in my YouTube channel. Download the video, buy the video, learn it, learn how I do all these things, learn how I mark the chart, learn how I take profits, learn how I post my stop loss, learn how I get in, and how I continue. Once you learn it and earn it, nothing stopping you from making this money, nothing stopping you from being this way, nothing stopping you from being the best. Nothing stopping you. Once you have watched my video and get to this point of this example I'm saying, nothing stopping you. You have already made money. You have already made money. Before you stop on, before you come to the video that I showed you, that I'm telling you to go and watch now, you have already made money well from the chat. Understand? So you are just in my video to learn more on how to mark up your chart. You are just in my video to learn, to see it visible in your eyes, to see it visible in your eyes. You have already learned, and I'm not going to show you another thing. I'm going to show you the same thing everybody is doing, the same thing everybody is doing, the same time everybody uses to earn the money, the same time, the same everything, the same time that everybody used to earn the money, the same time that the big traders use, the same time the companies use, the same time the the asset moves. I'm not going to sell you anything. I'm not going to sell you another thing. I'm not going to sell you any other thing. This is the same thing that Jeffrey do, the same thing that Habi do, the same thing that Syke do, the same thing that Tommy do, the same thing that Thomas do, the same thing that John do, the same thing that ICT do, the same thing that ICC do, the same thing that BSCC do, this is the FVG, this is the liquidity, this is the support and resistance, this is the this is everything that you are seeing in YouTube. This is everything. This is the same time. This is New York time. This is London time. This is this is the Asian time. This is BTC. This is gold. This is actually what you need in the video. This only the stop loss. Learn how to mark the stop loss. Earn the stop loss. Earn it, because once you stopped on this video, you've already learned how to earn it. Then what you want to know is how you see it. How you see it. So I already teach you how you see it. 14. I always should teach you how you see it. 4 times 4 is 16. I will give you the example. I will give you the expo. All you just need 4 times 4 is 16. If you watch my video below, you have already, once I say 4 times 4 is 16, you have already know what I'm saying. If you watch my video below and I say 4 times 4 is 16, you have already know what I'm saying. You don't need anything again. I've already know how I press the stop loss. I've already know how I press my entry. You already know how I take my profit. Once I say 4 times 4 is 16, you have already know the setup. You have already know the time frame. You have already know that the time frame. You have already know the time frame. You already know. Let me say the time frame is the 10 minutes, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 12 hour, the 1 week, and the 1 month. Let me give you the time frame again. 4 times 4 is 16. You have already know it's 4 o'clock. Is 16, 17, 19 for confirmation. I already know is 4, 5, and 8 for confirmation. I already know is 16 candles in 1 hour candle. You count it to 16, to 16 candles. Then that's your execution. That's your execution. That's when you tap out and you wait for continuation to tap in again. That is 16 by 16. You already know that. Once I say 4 times 4 is 16, you already know is 16. You already know the setup. Once you hear 4 times 4 is 16, you already know the setup. You already know the full diagram. If you watch the video below, if you watch all my videos, if you're already watching all my videos, you already know what I'm saying. So God bless. God bless. Since you have been making money from this video, nothing is holding you now. Nothing. Nothing is holding you now. Nothing is holding you. Nothing is actually holding you. Nothing is actually holding you. Nothing. 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 With my video, you have already learned FVG, you have already learned IVSG, you You have already learned all this shit. ICT, you have already learned it. This is everything. This is ICT. This is psych. This is everything. This is everything. This is everything. This is everything. The New York Times, the London Times. This is everything. This is the game. This is the trading. This is the trading. This is the trading. This is the trading. This is everything. This is everything. Everything you need to know. This is it. The London Times, the New York Times, the Asian Times, the ICT, the Psych, the Hobby, the Jeffrey, the big traders, the Leonardo, the celebrities, Elon Musk, Leonardo, uh, the big traders, the big entrepreneurs, the big ones. This is actually what you need to be the big ones. In my video, you will see you see how I mention it, you see how I describe it, you see how I explain it slow by slow, easy by easy, little by little, one by one, one by one. You have been making money now, your body has been sweeting you. You will now see what will work and what will work, and you now follow what works. You will now follow what works. You are now seeing what will not work and what will work. Now you are now following what works. All the things that works, and what works give you money. But if you are looking for what doesn't work, you will still see what doesn't work. You keep seeing what doesn't work. You see more of what doesn't work. But since you have now watched my video, learn 4 times 4 is 16, then you already know the BSCC strategy. You have already know this BSCC strategy. You already know the 4 times 4 is 16. Then you are now earning the money. You are now seeing what doesn't work. Because if it doesn't work, you are no more trading it, you are now leaving it and go. So you are now leaving it and go because it does not work. You are now leaving it and go because it does not work. You are now know that you have now known the time that you will come. You have now known when you will need to be patient. You have now known when you need to regain your patience. You understand? You have now known when you need to regain your patience and when you need to stop being patient. You understand, and when you need to be patient and when to come to the chat. You are now invisible. You have no courage now. You have courage now to trade. You have confidence now. Overconfidence. You have overconfidence because now you can see it. You can see it and be like, I'm not doing this because it won't work. You won't do something that won't work. So once you see the one that will work, you have already know that this will work. You are now seeing that this will work. You have now seen it. You have already seen. You will see. You will not have to pray something that you haven't seen. So you have not seen 4 times 4 is 16. So you enter in the trade. So it's going to work. It's going to pay you. It's going to pay you. So once you have the patience to wait for these 3 candles, then there's nothing stopping you. You have already won. You have already won. So you have already won. You have already won. Now you started making huge amount with this trading, huge amount with this strategy, huge amount, huge amount. Leverage. I'm not going to tell you more. Leverage. It's time to leverage. It's time to add more lot size. It's time to add more lot size. Stop being Stop being stop being stop being patient on that side. Leverage. Add more lot size. Add more lot size. Add more lot size. What are you waiting for? Add more lot size. Make money. You can see it now. You can see it now. Add more lot size. Make money. Use Maven trading platform. Use Maven. Use Maven trading website. Go to their website below. Tag Maven trading. Maven trading. It's like this. Maven. So, okay. This is the name, man. Maven Prophet. Maven Prophet. Buy 2k funded account. Buy 2k funded account. Buy 10k funded account. Buy 100k funded account. Buy 200k funded account. Buy 400k funded account. Depending on how much you can afford. Buy it. Leverage. Ask like 5 lot size on it. Make it like this. Or use this lot size. Or this. This is the best lot size for you. This is best lot size for you as a beginning. As a beginner, this is best lot size for you as a beginner. This is the best lot size for you as a beginner. Buy Maven trading platform. 10k account, 2k account, 5k account, 100k account, 50k account, 200k account, 400k account, 500k account. Buy the platform. Buy the platform. Use the method I showed you in the comment section, in the video description video below. Use the method I showed you. Use 4 times 4 16 BSCC. So 4 times 4 is 16. Use the 4 times 4 16. 4 times 4 16. Use it. 4 times 4. Four times 4 gives us 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So use the method. Use the 4 times 4 is 16. That's the method. That's the sweet spot here. Use your Maven trading platform. Use this lot size. Use this type of lot size. Use the method of 4 times 4 16. 4 times 4 16 in the chat. I drop the video below. Buy the video. like, comment, share, subscribe below, then sell it to some people, sell it to someone, sell it to someone, or give it free, share the video, share the video, share the video. Use the method 4 times 4, buy moving profile account. Do all this and you are not counting millions. Do all this, you are not counting millions. Do all this, you are not counting millions. Do all this, you are not counting millions. 4 times 4, 16. Then use your trend line marking. You already know where you should mark it. In the middle. Like this. Like this. This is selling. This is selling time. So you already know it. Use it. 4 times 4, 16. Use your trend line. Use your trend line. Use your levels. Use 4 times 4, 16. Use moving preference account. Use the lot size I showed you. Then make some much money. Make some much money. You can literally make and can earn this amount of money, 785,632 $2,000 with this method that I just showed you, all by just 75 pips, 75,000 pips, or just by 75,000 pips. All you need to achieve that is in BTC is 78,900,000 pips. In gold, all you need is in BTC, all you need to achieve this amount is 785,000 78,592 pips. Sorry. In gold, all you need is 78,509.2 is what you need in gold to earn it. To achieve this kind of amount, you only need all these pips or points. Points or pips. You call it whatever you call it. So this is exactly what you need to be a winner in trading. Screenshot it. This is actually what you need to be a trader. 4 times 4 is 16. You can actually make $785,000 using in BTC using 78,500 and something pips, using 78,000 something 849.2 points or pips for gold, You already see the leverage, you already see the alert side, you already see use this platform, every platform that will give you the correct way. So using this method, you will enjoy making money all day. You will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. You can now you can now release what doesn't help. You can now release what doesn't help. You can now remove what doesn't help you. You can now remove what doesn't help. If it doesn't work, remove it. If it doesn't work, don't do it. No need to do it if it doesn't work. I've already showed you what works. I already showed you what works. 4 times 4, 16. I already showed you what works in the videos below. I already see what works in the videos below. In the videos down there, I already see what works. So there's no way you are going to tell me that you won't make money. I've already see what works in the video. You already see that to mark a buy is X, to mark a sell is Y. So if you mark your X, if you mark your X and it's not good, then no need to trade. If you mark your Y and no good, no good, no good to trade. But if you mark your X and good, then yes to trade. If you mark your Y and good, then yes to trade. So using by 6 times 4 times 4 16 strategy, you will understand it more. You understand it more. You understand how I explain the BSCC strategy. You understand how I explain the BSCC strategy in video below for beginners. BSCC strategy for beginners. Then understanding will make you a pro by knowing what the airlights do, knowing what the pros do, knowing everything about the charts, everything. The New York City, the New London time, the Asian time, the ICT, the CCT, the everything. I just turn it to 4 times 4, 16. Then once you hear 4 times 4 is 16, you already know how to trade. 2 times 2 is 4. You already know how to trade. 1 times 1 is 1. You already know how to trade. 12 times 12 is 144. You already know how to trade. So nobody's going to tell you shit anymore. You are not going to listen to anything anymore. 4 times 4 is 16. So simple math. It's just like draft. 1 is 4. 1 is 4. We both can play, but you see, we already have 16 space in the 4. We already have 16 spaces in the 4. So I either finish your food or you finish mine. So, but in trading, this is true. The first 4 is bear. The second 4 is bull. So the bear calls his brother. Then you mark your trend line. The trend line is you. You mark is your times. You mark your trend line. Then once your trend line shows is selling, then you wait for your that give you 16 candles. You wait for 16 candles to play out. Once 16 candle play out, then it will play out good. If you see it sell like this, it will play out good. Then you wait for 16 candles, 16 candles will close it, or you wait for 16 o'clock. Once it's 16 o'clock, you can close by then. You can now close by then. Once it's 16 o'clock, you can now close and wait for new signal. You understand? You start again 16 by 16 o'clock, then you confirm it again 17 and 19. You start again till 4. You just rotation 4 times 4 16, 16 to 4, 16 to 4, 4 times 4 16. It's a box. It's a rotation. It's a rotation. It goes round. So all you just need is the Marvin platform, the lot size you should use, the method you should use. 4 times 4, you already know how to mark it. Watch the video again and again and again and again. Keep the video. Watch it again and again and again and again and again. Master it. master it and do it every day. You already know the pips you need. You already know the pips you need. You already know the points you need. You already know what you need to make the money. You already know what you need. You already know how you mark up the trend line. You already know how you mark up the trend line. You already know how you mark up the trend line. You already know if it is buying. You already know how to mark up your trend line. If it is buying like this, you already know how to mark up your trend line. They say you take it here. You already know how to mark up your trend line. So good day for today. Stay blessed. Since you have started making money, you now feel good by using 4 times 4, 16. More money, bro. More money.